Hello! Today's topic, the number one thing that men crave. All right, so I went out into the world and I started polling single men like crazy. And I'm like, why do you love being single and what is preventing you from moving to commitment relationship? And every time, well, not every time, but the most thing that came up time and time again was, I love the freedom and the no responsibility. And I was like, what does that mean? Well, Friday night, Saturday comes along, I answer to nobody. I do whatever the heck I want. I want to go to the bar, I go to the bar. I want to go home and watch Netflix, I watch Netflix. There is nothing stopping me from doing whatever the heck I want. No one to talk to. I have this amazing amount of freedom. I was like, ooh, that is really interesting. So then I went on to go say, now, do you want a woman in your life? And majority of them were like, absolutely. Who doesn't want a woman in their life? I was like, So what prevents you from getting in a relationship? They were terrified of losing their freedom. They're like, I still want to be able to do what I want to do. I was like, So if you could keep your freedom and be in a relationship, would that be your ideal world? And men were like, 100%. That's exactly what I want. I was like, I got it. Okay. So ladies, we need to give them their freedom. And I was like, this is ingenious. I know how to do this. So all you need to do is allow a man to make his own decisions. So here's how you do it. Like, let's say Friday night, you're going to dinner together and you would love some Italian food. Instead of being like, hey, let's go to Italian tonight. Like, we must go to Italian. I'm dying for Italian. No. All you got to do is say, hey, John, you would make me so happy if we went to Italian food, but we'll go wherever you want. And you just gave him the roadmap. And I always talk about the roadmap to your happiness. So you said, it would make me happy if we go to Italian. Now, if John's got half a brain, which I bet John does because you're dating him, John's going to be like, well, this is easy. All I've got to do is pick an Italian restaurant and she's going to be happy. And what the heck do I care where we eat? If she's going to be happy, well, this is going to be a good date. So, and you can use this on everything. Like, it just goes on and on. Like, whatever a guy's doing, we always talk about boundaries. And women are worried about being naggy and taking away the man's freedom. But really, if you just give him a roadmap to what you want and say, it would make me so happy if you did X, it can be that simple. And like even things that maybe bother you, like talking about it. Like, I don't want you to hang out with Susan. I think she has a crush on you. Like talking that through and having him, allowing him to decide that he's not going to do it. Because at the end of the day, a guy and yourself can do whatever the heck you want. But it's talking it through and allowing the person to make the decision so it's their choice. Like, you know, when you hang out with Susan, it makes me really scared because I think she has bad intentions. I totally trust you. I trust you to the moon and back. I don't trust her and I feel uncomfortable. And if he cares about you, which assuming he's dating you, he cares about you more than Susan, for example, he's going to be like, well, what the heck do I care about hanging out with Susan? You're my girlfriend. You're the person I want to make happy. And all I got to do is stop hanging out with her and you're going to be happier? Well, that's easy. You're the most important person. Then maybe I will stop doing that. But most important thing is he had the freedom to make that choice. You didn't say, if you keep hanging out with Susan, I'm out of here. You know, that's like fighting words. And your alpha male guy is going to be like, you know, you come to war, you come to the horns, you come to the bull, you're getting the horns. Like, we're going to fight about this. But if you say, hey, it makes me feel something, and then shut up and say, the guy's going to be like, I don't want you to feel that. That's not good. Let me fix this. And once again, I'm sorry I've been all over the place on this video, but men love to fix things. If you say, I feel this because of that, he's like, Let me get my brain out here. There's my brain. I know how to fix this. I can do it. And boom, it's beautiful. All right, guys, do me a favor. Hit like. I know this was all over the map, but if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment and tell me, Mike, you're freaking awesome. For all of you that don't watch many of my videos, my love language is words of appreciation. So if you give me a compliment, that keeps me moving, makes me want to make more videos for you. And these take a lot of time. Anyway, I love you guys. We shall see you next Tuesday. Bye.